working. Right. Forget the radio. Stop the train. Oh, God.
Thanks, Engineer Dave. You saved the day that time.
You read it?
Yeah.
Bob.
Thank you.
Good working with you. Well, we've certainly learned a lot about trains today, haven't we? We've seen big trains, little trains, diesel trains, steam trains, passenger trains, and freight trains. But if you'd still like to learn more about trains, don't forget they have lots of great books, lots of great pictures at your local library. Or you can visit a museum for trains, like this one in Campo, California. Well, I can see by my special train watch here that it's about time for this engineer to make his next run. So until next time, all aboard!
My name is Jim, a Federal Railroad Administration Safety Inspector. Hope you enjoyed learning about trains today, and there goes the train. But one thing we need to remember is just how dangerous it is to play around railroad tracks and to walk on railroad tracks. It takes approximately 1.5 miles to stop a 55-mile-an-hour train, and walking on railroad tracks is against the law. So be safe, ride the trains, and don't walk on tracks. Thank you.